Hello everyone. So kind of, it's a busy time of the year for us here at Bespoke. We got SEMA season. Every year we go crazy, right? So everybody knows us to bring some heat. We're working on some really, really cool projects this year. So I'm gonna kind of go over it with you in a little bit. But I want to talk about the famous SVR and kind of a story of what happened, kind of brings everybody up to date. Braz texted me a long time ago, wanted this car, and then he decided maybe go with a SVJ or even a Revolto, but long story short, he decided that's the car he wanted. He's been working with one of our colleagues, Luxury Auto Collection. We do a lot of business with them. We do a lot of work for them as far as if they need something done. So we have a really good relationship, and he wanted to use them. I was completely fine with it. We sold the car to LAC, and LAC sold it to Braz. And I build a lot of, you guys know, we build a lot of cool cars. This was one of probably the best car we ever built. I mean, honestly, when you completely change a car, and especially when you have carbon fiber, you're never gonna be able to get those gaps and the quality of the carbon so pristine. We went above and beyond on this product here. The car is absolutely amazing. I mean, the colors, the interior, like everything on the car is top notch. The car had 3,900 miles on it when I got it. One owner, came with all the service records, came with both seat covers from Lamborghini, the car cover from Lamborghini, the original charger, the original books, 3 keys, original MSRP, you name it. It came with a steering wheel, Lamborghini steering wheel cover. So we put probably, I don't know, 400 miles on it. Take it to so many shows. The car was perfect. Poor Braz buys it, and the same night everybody knows what happened. So I was so dumbfounded. I'm like, okay, something must have happened. Obviously, Braz didn't do anything. You know, he's a gentleman. Honestly, I want to talk about people in certain age that are very respectful, very understanding, and he checks every box on that. A good, solid guy. He said, please fix it for me. So we started with thinking, okay, could be anything, right? So we thought these vents that we made, we had a thicker carbon fiber. We're like, maybe they're not getting enough air into the car. We remanufactured all of that. We took the wing off. That didn't take care of it. So last thing we figured out, talking to a Lamborghini technician out of UK, who's a head of Lamborghini Europe, thermostat. That's the only thing that could make sense, right? So with Braz's time frame and what we had to work with as far as what he needed the car for, it gave us very short time. I had to send the parts to go to an airport, go pick it up. My guy stayed day and night to get this timeline met. So I told Braz, I said, Braz, if this fixes it, I'll get you the car, wherever you need to go. I had people standing by to deliver a car for him. Meanwhile, we gave him a car to just have while he was in LA, so he's not carless, because all his cars are back east. There's 2 thermostats in here, and you literally need to take half of the car apart to get to them. So we changed both. We didn't want to take any chances. It didn't take care of the problem. So I called Braz. I said, Braz, the car is not fixed. We have a couple of choices. A is I refund all your money, 100%, no question asked at all. Or if you want to wait, I'll get to the bottom of it. The car is going to go to Lamborghini, let him deal with it. He said, let me think about it. And he called and said, you know what, I just going to go a different direction. So we refunded his money. So I took the car to Lamborghini, and they could not get it to act on at all. Zero. Okay, literally zero. So my shop foreman, Ryan, he said, I know how to get it to overheat. I know exactly what I need to do. I said, okay, get in the car, go there. So he went there, and he called me back and said, man, like, the car is absolutely perfect. So I'm like, okay, well, he said, the only thing is the AC doesn't work. I just text Braz saying that, guess what, the car is not overheating. And he's like, oh my God, can you send it to Monterey for me? I said, I can make it work. And he said, well, let's do it. Okay, and then he decided the next morning is not the route he wants to go. The car was fixed, so we got a new air conditioning in it, and the car is absolutely perfect. Again, I just want people out there to know, used cars, new cars, anything mechanical comes with a manufacturer warranty. If a brand new car was never gonna, nothing go wrong with it, they would not put a warranty on it, correct? So it's a mechanical machine. Anything could happen at any given time. Power window, air conditioning, who knows? How you handle your clients and how the communication goes, how you stand behind your product, how you treat people, to me is how you build a business. I could be selling sewing machine or automobiles or I don't know, any product. It's not the product that you sell, it's how you handle when issue arises and it includes another person, which is your client. How you handle that is the best advice I can give anybody that wants to get in business. You want to build a brand, Make sure you stand behind your product. Make sure you take care of your clients. Always try to understand from their point of view. There are gonna be times that you're not gonna make everybody happy. There are those clients that they're just not reasonable. Those are the clients your company can do without, honestly. Trust me, you will have enough business that you don't need those people. Stand behind the product with the people when they work with you and get rid of the ones that they're not. It's really simple business advice. She's back, she's roaring, spitting fire, and I don't know what else to say. So it's for sale if anybody wants it.
Welcome back everybody to another YouTube video, and it is pitch dark. It is currently 2:01 a.m. We are going to be taking this one out kind of like we did the Zakua and McLaren. We have the camera set up, mounted onto my car. We're going to get some rollers of this thing, get some stills and everything, talk a little bit more about the car, kind of like what happened. I mean, it is for sale. I mean, when you guys watching this video want to buy it, $750,000. I mean, we take food stamps, we'll take it, whatever you want. Once again, no words, absolutely no words. This is probably the most brutal car I've ever been next to, let alone been in. Everything about this car is out of this world. It feels like I'm on another planet. All the lightning, the storms going on. And what's crazy is that this thing is up for grabs for any of you watching this video right now. It is for sale on our website. If you're interested in this car, if you like what you saw, she's right here waiting for you. Looking at my phone, we are here Friday, September 19th. It is currently 2:59 a.m. We are here in Phoenix with a full carbon Aventador. Being around this car, being around all the guys here at Creative Bespoke, building these cars, seeing every single thing that it takes to build something like this. This one, the smaller ones, the even bigger ones. The amount of effort and teamwork I see from all the guys building these cars, it makes it so much more than just a car. The experience from being next to this car and listening to the car and seeing this car, I'm trying to portray it to you guys as much as I can through this camera. If you've been next to an Aventador with an exhaust like this, you just know video and being in person, it's just not the same.